Now we are entering into Balvatika 2. Good morning, children. How are you? I am super. Since you are all energetic, shall I ask some questions? Very good. You are all energetic. Devansh, do you have a sister? What's her name?
My sister's name is Sweetie.
Wow. You are also sweet like your sister's name. Good. How old are you, Yamini?
I'm 4.
Wow, you are 5 years. Abhinav, how can you hear?
I can hear in my ears.
Wow, you have a nice ear to hear. Gokul, how can you see, Gokul?
I can see my eyes.
Wow, you have beautiful eyes. Very
I can
nice.
see my eyes.
Very nice. Vaishnavi, what is your father, Vaishnavi?
Father is software employee.
Wow, your father is a software employee. Good. Kritika, where is Kritika? Where do you come from?
I come from Chetna.
Very good. You are from Chettinad. Where is Yashasri? Who prepares the food for you?
My brother.
Oh, your mother is preparing food for you. Nice. Sit down. So today we'll start with the questions. Tomorrow I will ask you to dance. Shall we dance tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Learn dance and come. We will dance tomorrow. Bye.